sexy mothers and fathers out there. It is day number 2 now, which is actual competition day. I just went and did some practice, which practice is a little bit more important today because it is dry and it is going to continue to be dry. It's not going to be patchy conditions like it was yesterday. So I went out and did some practice. The battery died in my main GoPro, so I didn't film any of it for you from inside the vehicle. Maybe CJ got some from outside the vehicle. Anyway, I will note that I did hit a barrel really hard. I was following a car that was not as fast as I thought it was going to be, so I ended up having to cut the line because I was like running up, and I was like, oh snap. So I hit a barrel. Nothing happened to the car, I just hit a barrel. But anyway, I'm gonna go get some more practice in. Gotta change a couple tires for a guy. We'll see you on track. So we're going out for qual here in just a minute. I'm in line. I'm pretty far back in line though. But I'm gonna be conservative and just like hold a lap together for the first lap. And then I might try to get a little gangster on the second lap if I make a lap the first lap. I did lower my tire pressures a little bit, try to get a little more grip in the car. So we'll just see how it goes. But I'm just looking forward to hopefully getting out of the top 32. That's all I want to do. If I can get into the top 16, I am pleased. So we'll see you guys on the qualifying lap.
82 for Josh Phillips and 82 for Josh Phillips' first qualifying pass. Next up is going to be James Baldwin from Seymour, Indiana.
Probably one of the worst ones I've done all weekend. My first qualifying run, I totally kind of botched it. I didn't go like when you enter over by the 3-2-1 cone and then you come across. I didn't get very far up into that outside zone over there before you cross the airstrip. So I think that was a big part of what got my low score. But that's okay because I got a score, and as long as I got a score, then I'm into the top 32. And all I got to do is try to do one good battle, and I get my goal of top 16. But I'm going to try to do a much better qualifying score this time because 51 ain't that great. So I'm going to try to get nice and baller on this one and make sure I get that one outside zone at the beginning. And the rest of the track, it just kind of flows, so I ain't worried too much about the rest of the track. But as long as I get that first outside zone, we'll make something happen. Alright guys, no overthinking. Let's just go have some fun. Make some smoke, see what happens. back, like really far. Hey guys, so I figured I'd just give you a little bit of a closure here that, as you would have just seen, I think, I did take myself out of the competition in the top 32. Ryan did a really fast, really good lead lap, and I kept up okay. And then when I led for him, I knew that he was really fast, so I was like, well, I need to go really fast too. And I was hauling, and ended up going off track because I came in too hot on a touch and go. So that sucks. But so he took the win on that and moved on. And then the competition's over now. We're getting ready to go do some party driving, probably gonna be some trains. So I'm gonna go hit the locomotive meet and we'll see you guys on track. Feel that? Mm-hmm. The car was like